He's wildly uncomfortable with this setup. Nobody wants to work like this. Hey guys, Cam with Pro Photo Rental here. Wanted to talk about some things that you can do to optimize the look and feel of your interview when using just one light. We're gonna be using the Aperture Lightstorm 300 with the light dome. You can use whatever light you want. The principles will still stay the same, but this is just the light that we're using for our purposes today. All right, so we've closed the shades to try and control the light as much as possible. We have Derek in the director's chair, and this is our A cam. Just want to show you what this will look like if we had 0 modifiers to it. How's that feel, Derek?
Wonderful.
Yeah, I hate it. It's just the bare bulb light casting down on Derek. You can see that the shadows on the side of the face are super harsh. If you're in this situation where you don't have lighting modifiers to go with your light, there's a little trick you can use called bouncing the light to try and soften the image up and make it more pleasing to the subject's facial features. So what I'm gonna do is take this light, point it upwards. I'm gonna bounce it off the ceiling so that the light cascades all around him. I might do a little bit of extra power, but yeah, that's a much better image. I'm getting a nice blanket of light all across his face. All of the shadows that were super harsh are now softened, and I would imagine you're much more comfortable with the lighting setup. This is just a really reliable setup to do if you're lighting something but have 0 modifiers to go with it. Just keep that in mind. Now, in our case, we actually do have lighting modifiers. So I'm gonna throw the softbox on this and we'll start playing around with a couple different positions on where you can place your light. Oh, nice. What a handsome guy. Ignoring the fact that we can see the light in the reflection of the picture there, this is a really nice setup. We got a lot of great light casting across the face again. It's nice and soft, but also really exposing his face well. We like what's happening here. This is one of the most reliable setups that you can have for lighting an interview. How we accomplish this, you're gonna take your light, you're gonna move it about 45 degrees away from the camera, hoist it up, and then you're gonna tilt it downwards at another 45-degree angle. And that angle is just a really complimentary look. If you're doing product photography or if you're doing more modeling style portraits, I want to show you how to do butterfly lighting. It's basically the same setup. The only difference is with this one, we're going to be placing the light directly in front of him. So this placement is also very reliable for lighting setups. If you're only using one light and you're trying to shoot portraits for a model or some product photography, this is a really reliable setup because we're getting a nice even cascade of light on either side of the face. So there you go. Those are a couple easy, reliable setups for shooting a video using just one light. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We love talking shop. We love figuring out how to make whatever you need to happen. So yeah, give us a call. For more content, keep following us at Pro Photo Rental, and we'll see you next time.